émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 3:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, February 23rd, 2012. Snowfall warning is issued for City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 15h18, heure normale de l'Est, le jeudi 23 février 2012. Un avertissement de neige est émis pour la ville de Toronto, la ville de Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, Nord, Pickering, Oshawa, région de Durham, Sud, Uxbridge, Beaverton, région de Durham, Nord, et Orangeville, Grand Valley, comté de Dufferin, Sud.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 3:30 p.m. Thursday, February 23rd for tonight, Friday, and Friday night. City of Toronto, snow warning in effect. For tonight, partly cloudy, becoming cloudy late this evening, then snow, amounts 5 centimeters, low 0. For Friday, snow, amounts 10 centimeters, wind northeast 30 kilometers per hour, becoming northwest 20 early in the afternoon. Temperature steady near +1. For Friday night, cloudy with 60% chance of flurries. Wind northwest 20 kilometers per hour. Low -3. City of Hamilton, snow warning in effect. For tonight, mainly cloudy. Rain mixed with snow beginning near midnight, then changing to snow after midnight. Snowfall amounts 2 to 4 centimeters. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light early this evening. Wind becoming northeast 30 before morning. Low -1. For Friday, snow ending late in the afternoon, then cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. Amounts 10 centimeters. Wind northeast 30 kilometers per hour. High +1. For Friday night, cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour. Low -3. Extended